Hello friends, this is KD and you are watching Learning and Sharing with KD. In this video, we are going to see how to create a database and tables using MySQL Workbench. So let's get started. First open MySQL Workbench. Inside schema, just click on new schema, type schema name, in this case Safar Nama with Madhura. Click on apply. It will create a new schema for you. That means database. Now just refresh. Here is our database. Expand this. Right click on tables, create table, give table name, master employee. Okay, now add columns. ID, I want to make it primary key, auto incremented and primary key. Name, email, mobile number. Password, created by, created at, date time. If you want to add default value, then here is option for default value. If you want it may primary key, not null, unique, zero. There are so many options here available. Okay, just create. Once your table structure is created, just click on apply. It will show you the query and just click on apply. It will create a table for you. Click on refresh and check. Here is our table, master employee. Thanks for watching.